Okay, this is to show you where the fuse location is for the Volvo trucks inside. Right here, my finger's pointing inside here. There's one screw there, and there's one screw right there. You got to take both them screws out, lift this whole panel out, and underneath there is a fuse box with the fuses for the cigarette lighters and the CB radio plug and a lot of other accessories. But right there is where it's located at, and that is for the Volvo trucks. This is the 2010 model. So that's where the fuses are at. The other fuse box is outside over top of the steering shaft. Thank you.